This like-new, 2015 home is waiting for you to add your designer touches to make it the home of your dreams. With 3 bedrooms plus a den, this flexible and open floor plan can easily be configured to meet many needs. As you enter home, you will be greeted with a large covered front porch. The front door opens to the foyer, where you will have the dining room on your left and den or flex space on the right. You'll walk right into an impressively large family room, that opens up to the eat-in kitchen. The fenced backyard features mature shade trees and a large 20 by 10 covered patio. A drainage canal behind the property provides extra space between you and your neighbors. Best of all, you are conveniently located right by the intersection of California and Crosstown and close to everything.